So you need a sharpener, a screwdriver, the blade from the sharpener, a motor, a switch, a battery connector, and an ice cream stick. So first, take the hot glue gun and put some hot glue on the motor. Then take the blade from the sharpener and put it onto the motor. Hold it straight onto that position until it sticks completely like this. Then take an ice cream stick and put the hot glue on it. Then take the motor on which you put the blade and stick it onto the hot glue. I added some paper tape on the ice cream stick and the motor for some extra protection. But that is totally optional for you. Okay, so next up, take a heatsink tube and put it into the black wire. Then take your battery connector and attach it with the same color wire. Once that is done, take your heatsink, put it in the open part of the wires and heat it with the lighter so that it gets sealed completely. Now put the heatsink in the red wire and connect it with the switch. Once that is done, again take the heatsink and heat it up with the red wire. Okay, so now take another heatsink and put it on the red wire of the battery connector. Then connect that wire to the other terminal of the switch. And once that is done, you know what to do with the heatsink. Okay, now take hot glue gun and put some hot glue in the middle of the ice cream stick, somewhat towards the end, and then stick your switch onto it. Now take some sellotapes and stick these messy wires onto the ice cream stick. So after all of this, take the battery and stick it onto the right place from where the connector fits perfectly. But guys, please be really careful because while I was testing it, I just got really bad cuts in my finger. So be really careful. Okay, so I'll use a paper tape to stick the battery onto it. And now lastly, connect the battery connector to the battery. So let's test it. And here it goes. Whoa, this thing vibrates a lot. Like, hold it carefully or it will jump out of your hand. So let's test it with some other things like paper. So we'll try it out with different things. So first let's see what happens against this paper. Nope, paper does not stand a chance against this. So let us try it with something else like an ice cream stick. Whoa, that's a big groove for the first touch. Okay, so it's a bit time consuming, but if you'll work it out, it will cut the whole thing. And lastly, you can even use this for cutting your, extra branches on the trees, like if you want to shape it out. So guys, that is how you make a super sharp blade cutter, and I think that's it for this video, and I'll see you in the next one. Thanks for watching.